Hello, everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist, and we're going to talk about a very important subject today, something that will help you with sustaining your keto. A lot of folks that watch me on YouTube have found great success with keto, but they always are wondering, well, how can I keep going with this? Is this sustainable? And it can be if you use the right techniques to guide you and propel you forward. And we'll speak about that tonight. My presentation tonight is about continually reinvesting in your commitment. On a regular basis, renew your commitment to your goals. Starting on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet is an exciting journey filled with the promise of better health, increased energy, reduced weight, and a renewed sense of well-being. However, like any significant lifestyle change, it comes with its challenges, as we know. It's easy to start strong, but maintaining that momentum can be difficult as life throws obstacles in our path at times. That's why it's crucial to continually reinvest in your commitment to your goals and on a regular basis reflect on their importance in your life. Now let's speak about why reinvesting in your commitment matters. When you first decided to follow the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, you likely did so with a clear set of goals in mind, whether it was weight loss, improved mental clarity, better control over blood sugar levels, or simply the desire to feel healthier and more vibrant. But as time goes on, it's natural for the initial excitement to wane. The newness of the journey fades, and it becomes easy to slip into old habits or get discouraged by setbacks. This is where regular renewing your commitment becomes vital and very important. By continually reflecting on why you started this journey and reminding yourself of the key benefits you've already experienced, you reinforce your determination to stick with it. This practice keeps your goals fresh and front of mind, making it easier to resist temptations and stay the course even when things get tough. Now, let's speak about practical ways to reinvest in your commitment. Well, number one, it's ideal to set small, achievable milestones that are realistic. Breaking down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones can make your journey feel less overwhelming. Celebrate these small victories as they're very key. Whether it's losing the next 5 pounds over a month or successfully avoiding carbs at a social event, the small victories are very important. Losing 1 to 2 pounds a week, hey, it's a success, it's a victory. Each milestone is a reaffirmation of your commitment to keto. Number 2, journal your progress. Keeping a journal can be an incredibly powerful tool. Document how you feel, what you've eaten, and the progress you've made. On days when your motivation dips, revisiting your journal can remind you of how far you've come and why this journey is worth it to you. Number 3, visualize your success. Take a few moments each day to visualize where you want to be. Whether it's imagining yourself at your goal weight, picturing yourself full of energy, or seeing your lab results improve, Visualization can be a strong motivator indeed. This mental rehearsal keeps your goals alive and helps you stay focused on the bigger picture. Number 4, frequently revisit your why. Your initial reasons for starting the ketogenic diet and lifestyle are powerful motivators. On a regular basis, revisiting these reasons keeps your goals relevant. Maybe you started for health reasons, or perhaps you wanted to feel more confident or more physically active to chase after the children and grandchildren. Whatever your why is, keep it at the forefront of your mind. Number 5, seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's online groups, friends, or family members who understand and encourage your goals and aspirations. Sharing your struggles and victories with others can renew your commitment and provide the accountability you need to stay on track. Number 6, embrace flexibility. Life is certainly unpredictable and your plan may need to adapt. If you hit a rough patch, don't view it as a failure. Instead, reassess and adjust your goals. Flexibility ensures that you remain committed even if the path looks different than you initially envisioned. Now, let's speak about the importance of reflection. Taking the time to reflect on your journey is just as important as setting your goals. Reflection allows you to appreciate the progress you've made, learn from any mishaps, and adjust your approach if needed. It's a moment to reconnect with the importance of your goals and reinvest in your commitment to achieving them. So, by regularly reinvesting in your commitment to keto, you keep your motivation alive and well. This isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle change that continues to bring value to your life. Remember, the ketogenic lifestyle is a journey, not a sprint. Continually renewing your commitment ensures that you're not just moving forward, but doing so with purpose and passion. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. And we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.